Wow.
It's a banana.
Janapado I look style about boy. Oh dear. Oh dear, what to tell? Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing this? Boy, cooking with Sindaco, I'm back again. Yeah, so I've been invited by a colleague in the game, yeah. She also cooks. She said, since I'm here, I should come there and do something together. So I'm on my way going to Middleton, a town in inside Leeds. Yeah, so I'm here, actually, but you say hi. Madam Hilda's, Hilda,
Hilda's kitchen.
On
Wednesday days.
Yeah, she's about to good. It is what it is. Yeah, so I'm here in Middleton, a town inside Leeds, and as I told you earlier, I'm here with a colleague in the game, Hilda's Kitchen. She cooks as well. Check her out, yeah, subscribe, and make sure you follow her.
Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment. Any mind and any youths now, they will know how to cook.
What yeah, so it's never
tilapia.
Okay.
Any a bit depend on boss, so per day, you bet you, is bishop in Gari. No one mammy chain out at all.
Every example, everything, anything with the good. Why the same age, yeah, so it's Tilapia with Gari. Mamma mia, baby, the candidate. Okay, and they are sharply. Tomato sauce. That's what we can like sharply. Mamma mia. Don't forget to watch this channel. Just skip through this video because it's going to be wonderfully gorgeous. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hilda's Kitchen. Hilda's Kitchen. Fancy phone bro for the share is one good one. I can't touch you. Hilda's Kitchen.
Hilda's Kitchen. Hilda's Kitchen. You see my beautiful face with the same lipstick. Don't forget to follow me.
Okay. Answer the issue.
But in Chinugum, because I'm with the Tilapia and Cassano, I on Shadani, it says in Chinuguma. Why the was the feet and pan, no was up.
I fresh,
fresh, not today. In Chinano Shark, okay. You realize a crash of a sunshine is I.
Now, it's very, would you mind another just YouTube videos for the
oh, it's been a young Cassas Bacana was a woman.
Was who would you tell? Okay. Name Jan Cacra. No soaking one.
No, Uncle Mukakian is young spices is a book.
Okay. Yeah, so today we'll be doing our, what do you call it, Gari with the tilapia, yeah, outside. And we have our mini sexy cook pot over here. Only, this is Hilda's cook pot. I just love cooking outside. Like, the gas is too much. So anything carbon or charcoal is more attractive and sexy. Like, anyway, as I say. You product Kerry. Kerry, okay. Okay.
As a spice, as always.
Okay. But I'm putting my KBF and will be a wedding that kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah, the magazine. Wow. I'm Chemichona. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. Wow, she takes order. She does everything. She not only on YouTube that she cooks. She takes order. She sells as well on weekends. She sells watching jollof.
You want your wadi?
Okay.
You want fresh tomatoes? You bet you try. Fresh pepper.
Okay.
And 2 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
And then you want some timmy kakra. Oh yeah.
Ginger. Okay.
And Captain Planet and so. Oh yeah, kakra is day.
Okay. Okay. This is a baby for you.
Yeah, shabu parsley.
Okay, sharp parsley.
Na ya za kan Gari eba.
Ubro freeze or there sharp parsley no there me and be na sharp parsley no there.
Sharp parsley. As a woman, sometimes it's near the biana ya be nyama chinchi. You can still cook the same food very quick.
Yeah. I sharp parsley no way.
Sharp parsley.
Yeah. I want to pick.
Na ya fine.
Cooking skills is intact. Yeah. I check out Hilda's kitchen and pop.
Yeah.
Because what you try, you want to come put your name. I'm going to also. You might as well. Yeah.
Sit busy, papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, mom want you to dance.
Yo, other true has I this in Hono. Anyway, what woman wants here? Cook. Yeah, so the fire is now ready, and we have our grill thing over here.
Grill tin is a great thing. She said, "Baby, I buy a natural. And it's the best foam."
Yo, it's foam. Yeah, but you had a James here. I will check James here. Yeah, so a bit of oil.
Yes, buffer and
okay.
And that's no crazy. But order. Miss Mabay is to that on
okay. Yeah, so this is Hilda's kitchen inside Leeds, and she takes orders. She cooks. If you are doing your wedding, birthday, anything, and you want someone to cook for you, you can contact her. But you want to be with my
number no 07 99 099 75
27. Yeah, so if you're in the UK, anywhere in the UK, even Scotland, yeah, you can still call and make your order, make your bookings. They cook anything, everything. Yeah, local to foreign, continental. Yeah.
Yeah.
For weddings, birthday, everything, and I say if you want to watch it, get maybe Saturday morning, you want some watch it to eat, just call and they'll bring you watch it. What you plate to I?
Put your £5.
Wow, £5.
And I'm the do.
And I'm the do. May you will have
put your
yeah, so just call this number and make yourself comfortable. Yeah. Hilda's Kitchen. Subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. Follow her on YouTube.
Mom went to the date.
So this is fish powder.
Yeah.
Jumbo fish powder. In Ghana, Fantis are known to be experts in this kind of cooking. So you see how the gravy kind of anyway, and like quick action. I don't know, okay, sharp parsley. Sharp parsley. Anyway, sharp parsley. Yeah, so maximum like 15 minutes. Everything's okay.
Yeah. We are now going to start doing our Gari.
So this is the water for the Gari eba. We have our hot water for the Gari for the eba, and we add a bit of
Salt.
Salt, yeah.
Taste.
I'm of also from a pinch of salt.
Yeah,
So basically, this is kind of pure Nigerian food, but we Ghanaians have adopted this food as our own. Yeah, no, we're put the Nkane for. So this is typical Eba.
Other workers and we do.
But you okay.
Now, but son, so.
Yeah, I pump you out.
It's banal.
Zizzy. Or them as that no, what is that sound? Zizzy. Okay, so this is our Gari. Yeah. Here water style. Yeah, so this is our tilapia in patois. You know, in patois, you see that, brother. So everything is set up and it's about to go down. I will sucker for it. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all do? Yeah, okay. So we're done with our Gari Eba, yeah, with tilapia in patois. Anyway, Captain Planet. You know, with our gravy over here. Sharp
parsley.
Sharp parsley.
That's right.
Yeah, sharp parsley, yeah. Quick action, and this is the final outcome of it.
This is our number one pair.
Empire. You. Amen.
Amen.
Yo. So, but basically, I got it from cassava, and this is typical African food. Wow. You feel the pepper. Man, the pepper is spicy. So, meaning it depends on how the quantity of pepper that you want to use. You can reduce the quantity of pepper if you want a little less, and add more if you want it more spicy. Okay.
Normally, you know, with fish, it's good if you add a bit of more spice to it.
Yeah, this is dope.
Why then chen when it's chicken?
No, okay. Okay. Wow. Man, I can eat the whole of this thing. No, do you have a kuno, you know? Not since I should not come on. Or blend pepper.
Say more can. We never let you go what's in it.
Eh, Gary, no, they got me for 2 inches, no. If you pano for the Gary has this with the egg go pound. Gary is it. I jump on. So this is tilapia. I know a shop up a high. Wow. So tilapia. Man, this is just perfect. You face my papa. Man, this is just perfect. Just perfect. I'm loving it. The only thing that you need is tilapia. But I believe you can use any other fish, right?
Oh, yes.
So you can use, if you don't have tilapia, you can use any other fish to prepare this.
Oh, but you do data.
Wow.
This is what we call Friday special.
Man, you need to take your order. Your day special is Madam. For order no.
Tilapia Gari.
Other man will take this order. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and Hilda's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, turn notification bell so you'll be notified. When she upload, when I upload, you get notification. Yeah. And once again, she takes order. So call this number. What's the number again? 07
99
099 75 27. Yeah, so that's her number. Call her and make your order. And any recipe that you want her to make, she can prepare that thing for you. Yeah. So thank you, Mama Hilda, for this invite. I really appreciate it. And
thank you for coming as well. Everybody should say thank you to boss Sindaco.
No, I'm part of your boss. Mundu boss level. No.
Captain Planet
Mundu boss woman.
When then I see because my friend one church and I say, obey, this is someone who is willing to help people who are also growing their business in Kakankaga. So if you also have a business, you can call him Thank you so much.
It is what it is. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manism. Who can we see now? Record the one.